Sparkly. September 2021. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Subscribe below to participate in $3 KJV contest and win awesome prizes. Full name. Email. Quick launch details. Launch date, the 2nd of September minus the 9th of September. Launch time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Launch promo, 7 days. $3,000 in JV prizes. Get your affiliate link here. This phenomenal, one-of-its-kind money-pulling offer comes with these amazing benefits. Microsoft Ads step-by-step training. Well-explained screen. Recorded videos. With unrestricted private label. Rights option. Complete 5 PLR sales. Funnel for your customers. Ready to go. Sales stuff. Make up to $565 in. Commissions per customer. $3,000 cash in. JV prizes. What Microsoft Ads Training Kit is all about? Microsoft Ads Training Kit, as the name suggests, is a complete step-by-step Microsoft Ads training. Encapsulates everything about how they work, how to set up your ad account, and how to get started on your first campaign from scratch, so that anyone, even newbies, can leverage the enormous marketing potential of Microsoft Ads and boost profits. The tutorial includes detailed screen-recorded videos showing you exactly how this system works and what needs to be done, along with training guide, articles and many more. To help you leverage the power of Microsoft Ads and set up your campaigns for life-changing profits. The best part is we are offering this complete package with a massive unrestricted private label rights opportunity with all the sales materials required to resell the product. Means now your customers can turn around and sell this complete package with PLR to anyone they want, in no time, and they get to keep 100% of the profits. This is huge. In these tough times, your customers are desperate for an easy way to make money online, and this package could be their best shot at it. With unrestricted private label rights, they could set up their own online empire and sell as many PLR licenses as they want to bank big profits. Your list will adore this outstanding Microsoft Ads Training Kit and restricted PLR package. This offer is value-packed, and your list will love what they are getting. The offer is unique. There is not a single comparable offer out there that matches the true value of this one. Previous affiliates have earned over 3 figures with just a single email for some of our previous offers. It is perfect for any list. Online, offline, internet marketers, product creators, owners, bloggers, etc. What your customers are getting with each offer. Modules. Module number 1, 15 step-by-step tutorial videos. Module number 2, video raw files. Module number 3, video voiceover script. Module number 4, audio files. Module number 5, professionally written training guide. Module number 6, chapter images. Module number 7, 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module number 8, cheat sheet. Module number 9, mind map. Module number 10, top resource report. Module number 11, high converting sales copy. Module number 12, customer sales video. Module number 13, professional graphics. Module number 14, animated banners. Module number 15, professionally written email swipes. Module number 16, professional Manizits. Module number 17, legal pages. Training videos demo. Chapter 1 Overview of Microsoft Ads. Chapter 2 Microsoft Ads Dashboard. Chapter 3 Campaign Home Overview. Chapter 4 How to edit campaign name. Chapter 5 How to change campaign budget. Chapter 6 How to change bid strategy. Chapter 7 How to bulk edit campaign budget. Chapter 8 How to bulk edit bid strategy. Chapter 9